Hi everyone, welcome to Edtech with JRep. I'm Javier Robagliati and I'm here to show you how to create a report for a Zoom meeting or a webinar. Let's go! You can create reports from the meetings or webinars you have hosted on the Zoom website. You just have to log in, click on Reports, then click on Usage. There you can select a date range to search for meetings. And once you locate the meeting you want to see the report from, click on the participant's number. There you will get the detail of who joined, when did they leave, and how long did they stay. You can also export this data to a CSV file and choose whether or not to include the information from the meeting. Be aware that this only works for the meetings or webinars that you have hosted and that you have to be a licensed user on Zoom. Free basic plans do not include the reports feature unless those accounts are hosted within a bigger paid account. For example, the account I used to show you this is a free basic account, which in your case might be like the accounts from your students. But since they are part of a larger paid account, that is the school's account, they do have access to the reports feature. The process I've shown is the same for licensed accounts, which would be the teachers or staff accounts. And that's it. I hope you found this helpful. Bye.